Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss another question related to the minimal DFA. Okay, construct a minimal DFA over alphabets A comma B for a long base L which accepts strings contains at most 2 A's and any number of B's. See, in the previous two videos, we have solved the variants of this question. What is that? We have solved first exactly 2 A's and any number of B's. Then we solved at least 2 A's and any number of B's. Now I am changing the variant of it. At most 2 A's means that the number of A's should be at most 2. At most 2 means 0 number of A's should be possible or 1 A should be possible and maximum 2 A's are possible. But there is no restriction on the number of B's. At most means 0 A's is possible, 1 A, 2 A's, but they can say that any number of B's are possible. So there is no restriction on the B's. Only restriction on the A's only are there. So now we will see it what are the strings belongs to long base L. The strings is epsilon will be accepted. Is it clear? Because even epsilon is consists of 0 A's. If 0 A's are there, and what about the number of B's? There is no restriction on the B's. So even B, 0 number of B's are possible. So 0 number of A's, 0 number of B's is epsilon. Okay, meaning is that the entire string will become as an epsilon. So epsilon is also accepted. Lot of people will confuse why epsilon is coming. Okay, at most 2 A's, so 0 number of A's is possible. There is no restriction on the B, so I can take the 0 number of B's. So epsilon also will come. Okay, so 1 A is accepted, 2 A's are accepted. Okay, and AB should be accepted, AAB should be accepted, BA should be accepted, BAB should be accepted, so on. I can say that it is an infinite long base. Once you identify that it is an infinite long base, there may be a DFA or there may not be a DFA possible. If it is possible, a DFA, what is that one? We will check it now. As there is an epsilon is there, remember one thing, whenever you have an epsilon in the long base, the initial state will act as a final state. Why? I have given the reason in the earlier videos. I request you to watch those videos. Okay. Now, if it has to accept the A, then your Q1 also will act as a final state. Because on a single A, it should accept 2 A's, Q0 on A, and 2 A's it should be accept. Okay, 2 A's it should accept. So, but what about 3 A's? 3 A's it should not accept. Only 0 number of A's, 1 A, 2 A's only accept. That's why I did not keep the like this. If I keep like this, it is accepting 0 A, 1 A, 2 A, and n number of A's also it will accept. So that's why I have not kept like this, because it should accept exactly 2 A's only. So 0 number of A's, 1 A, 2 A, all A's combination is accepted. Now BAA should be accepted or not, and BA should be accepted or not, or single B should be accepted or not. Yeah, all these three cases are accepted, because in this case it is having 2 A's, 1 A, 0 number of A's. All these are at most 2 A's. And BBA should be accepted. Yes. So any number of B's in the starting with at most 2 A's is accepted. So I will keep the B's here like this. Okay. Now we'll come to this case. What about the B here? I have seen a single A. Okay. And I am seeing 2 B's. A should be accepted, because it is having at most 2 A's, and there is only 2 B's. There is no restriction on the B's. So even this one is accepted. Even this one is accepted. A 3 B's it is having at most 2 A's. So 1 A is possible. So after seeing any number of B's is possible. So I am keeping like this. Okay. If you see that the DFA is almost same as the previous two examples, there will be little bit change because the question is changed little bit. So now we will see about the A's here. First we will see about the B's. I have seen 2 A's. Then any number of B's not a problem, because I have at most 2 A's. A, B, it should be accepted. A, B is accepting here. Being is that I want to see 2 A's. When I will reach here, after seeing minimum 2 A's, I will reach here. So 2 A's, and then any number of B's, it is having at most 2 A's. So any number of B's, it should be accepted. Okay. What about the A's? Okay. The A's is, if you see that one, on A, at most 2 A's are possible. So if you get another A, you will get 3 A's. So if I keep here, you will get more than 2 A's. If I keep here, you will get more than 2 A's. But you should not accept the more than 2 A's. So what I will do? I will go for a dead state. Okay. If I go for the dead state, more than 2 A's, if you get it, you will be trapped here. You will not reach to the final state. So it will not accept. Let me see whether it is correct DFA or not. First we will check whether it is a DFA and complete or not. Q0 on A and B we have discussed. Q1 on A and B we have discussed. Q2 on A and B we have discussed. On D, A and B we have discussed. So I can say that it is a DFA. Whether it is a correct DFA or not, we will check it. How to check it? I will take a, let me write here. I will take a string which is accepted by this one. AABB. AABB should be accepted or not? Yes, it contains 2 A's, so it belongs to language L. If it is belongs to language L, what my DFA should do? It should accept it. Let me check it whether it is accepting or not. I will start from the initial state Q0. On A, I will go to a state called Q1. Q0 on A, I came to Q1. Q1 on A, I will go to Q2. Q2 on B, I will be there in the Q2 only. Q2 on B, I will go to Q2. Now, from the initial state, after parsing the entire string AABB, I reach to a state called Q2, which is a final state. Then I can say that it is accepted. Let me take another one. AABB, whether it belongs to language L? Yes, it is belongs to language L because it consists of only one A. So my DFA should accept. So Q0 on A, you are going to Q1. Q1 on B, you are going to Q1 only because Q1 on B it is reaching to Q1 only. Q1 on B, again it is reaching to Q1. Check whether Q1 is a final state or not. Yes, Q0 is a final state, Q1 is a final state, and Q2 is a final state. So Q1, I can say that is a final state. So I can say that the given string is accepted by the DFA. Let me take a counter example. So we have taken till now what are the strings which belongs to language L. I want to take a string which does not belongs to language L. What is that case? 3 A's B's, because 3 A's is not at most 2 A's, means maximum 2 A's are allowed. So this string does not belongs to language L. If it does not belongs to language L, my DFA should not accept it. We will see it. Q0 on A, where you are going? Q1. Q1 on A, you are going to Q2. Q2 on A, you are reaching to a state called D. D on B, you are reaching to a state called D alone. So what I can say? D is a non-final state. So I can say that the string is not accepted by the DFA. So it is accepting the states which belongs to language L, and it is not accepting the strings which does not belongs to language L. So I can say that it is a correct DFA. Okay? Okay? Thank you so much.